So what is good, YouTube? We are here today, man. Got a lot of things going on. Trying to get a lot of things back going with the gaming. Trying to get a lot of things back going with my channel here. Alright, so man, stay tuned. We got a lot of things in stores, man. If you're new to the channel, if you're new to the M team, my man, go ahead and leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. You see what I'm saying? With, cause we ain't playing no games, you feel me? Am I right or wrong, girl? Get that stretch going.
Knock him down. Shoot that wall. There's a ball.
I'm on the floor. This ain't gonna work. Ugh.
Yo, don't move so much now. My angle is right here now. Don't move so much.
I gotta move my feet.
Bro, you see how my yo, chill out. Your big ankles. Those big old ankles, chill out.
My ankles are big.
Hold up, don't move yet.
You move
You gotta move one step at a time. Go that way.
Alright.
Hold up, don't move so much. Don't move so much. Bro.
Yeah, you got two when you're
Pick
ready.
up.
Right.
On one.
Ah! Drew.
What are you doing?
Let's see. Are you good?
Why are you bobbling?
Nigga, we both came back and bumped each other.
Stop bobbling. I'm still here. You can't come way over here. Good gracious. You hurt my freaking nose. Turn around. Turn around.
One.
No, just turn around.
2 hours later.
I get my tippy toes.
Get down. 1, 2, 3. Come on.
I'm
Sit down.
trying.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. That's all you gotta do. Put your leg up.
You can't do
We're
that.
gonna do some workouts.
No.
Come on.
No.
Put your leg back.
Stop.
Put your leg up. Put your leg up. Pick both of them up. Alright. We can go out that way, then in this way. Ready? 1, 2, 3, out. I gotta scoot up this way. My legs too long. Ready? 3, 2, 1. In. Out. In. Out. Stand up. You're too out of shape to do this.
Girl.
Come
Help
on.
me.
Ah! What are you doing?
Help me up.
Bro, get your athletic sisms up. Stop.
What you doing out here for?
Because you're moving your ankle too much. Alright, we're gonna jump. Put your ankle down.
I'm ready to cut it off.
Come on.
Cut it off.
Jump. Jump on 3. Jump. 3 jump. 1, 2, 3, jump.
What leg? What leg?
Come on. Stupid.
A lethal weapon. I fucked your thought, she gave me top. I guess that's my confession. Got no regrets, I made mistakes, but I learned from my lessons. Trapping by the stove, villains pull up to the coupe. My car ain't got no roof, thought this shit was bulletproof. I can't feel my face, smoking on Gorilla Glue. Zooming in the coupe, that's the shit I like to do. These is yellow diamonds shining like I'm Pikachu.
Stop! You can't do all
Alright, come
that.
on. Come on.
You can't do all that.
I think I gotta pee. Well, you smell like
What? Smell like what?
I'm on balance. It's like
Oh, yeah,
3,
okay. No laughing.
3, 2,
One sounds low.
3.
The
You gotta
thing is,
get
my
me up.
legs are fully extended.
3, 2,
Like that.
1, go.
Someone's
No!
No, you gotta balance too. I'm trying.
I know, but you gotta put me up. 3, 2, 1, go.
You can't be shaking and all that.
Get your weight up.
I got you.
3, 2, 1, go.
I'm a boss, nigga, get that bag and make the moves. No, I don't like to lose, so I be going in, yeah. I'm tryna cop a Benz, yeah. Pull up and drop like 10, yeah. You tryna taste the life, well, I'm tryna taste the Benz, yeah.
So, yo, this was not part of the plan, but yo, we pulled up to this little car show, you know what I'm saying? Some lights, so I just wanna see the bikes. I'm here for the bikes, so we're finna see what's up. You know what I mean? Got a little GT right there, boy. Little GT right there. Look how squatted that. These how squatted that thing is. Good gracious. Oh, but you know he be scrubbing, but ooh, you know he be scrubbing. You hear me? Oh yeah. Look at this thing. Them babies crazy deep anyway. Oh yeah.
Got it.
So like I said, man, you know, soon I'm supposed to be picking up me a little bike soon enough here. So, bro, this is what I'm here for right here. You hear me? I want to see the bikes. You feel me? Good gracious, boy. Which one am I gonna get on? That's the question. You know what I'm saying? I know it be. The thing is, though. Hey, even if you hit by that big old dually, boy. Hold up. That truck too big. So this is what I've been. Oh my god. They got the jigsaws lined up. You heard me? Good. Great. Well, I forgot my keys in the truck. The Honda CBR. Which one would I pull here? Good gracious, boy. Jigsaws on that. You heard me? Hey, that black jigsaw right there, boy. Yep. Oh my goodness. Sport.
You making a vlog, man?
Yeah.
What's up, bro?
Yes, sir. Hey, I'm supposed to be getting one of these soon. Jigsaw. Soon enough.
All three of them are.
Oh yeah.
I'm the one on the Honda.
Yeah, Honda CBR.
Yeah.
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 Man. Them jigsaws are beautiful. Man.
You're the best investment you ever made, man. For real, I ain't doing my truck at all since I got that one. I got that a month ago. I have to take the truck out twice.
Good gracious.
The only time you want to go somewhere is on the fucking bike.
Exactly.
Exactly. Like,
Look at that. Woo, boy. Oh, boy. You hear that, boy? Sounds so good. So calm. Crunk right up. What model is this? 07. There you go. 07. Just like that.
7,000 years in bone stock miles.
7,000. Ow! Crank it off just like that right there. He got a freaking motor in that thing. He got a motor in there. Hey, lady, that dude there. Hey, did you poop? I think you just put it out something red. You hear me? Look at that. A little poop right there with a little hot chip. You hear me? A little hot chip always missing some cheese. Is it a little hot chip over there? A little hot chip right there, boy. I wonder who's driving that hot chip. get a little bit of, thrust on it? Yep. Yeah. Yeah, that make you change your mind right there. Oh, shoot. Only way the Jixer gotta come on with it though, boy, you hear me? I know, right? Oh, that one. I ain't heard that one. You gotta prove it to me, boy. Hold on, give me. Oh, wow. Get both of them on, can you hear me? No, I don't like that. I like that one. Okay, that's smoother. That one is smoother. Whoa.
2 hours later.
That joke is loud. That's loud. Y'all look. Okay. Yup, come on through. Y'all, it's too many of y'all. What? Too many of y'all. Too many. Which way do I go? I'm about to pee on myself, you hear me? Okay, y'all showing out. They showing out, you hear me? Now, my turn. You know what I mean? You hear me? I'm in the spot, you hear me? But they are showing the freak out, boy.
Alright, yo, so all the lights that went out, man. On the highway, bro. Like, oh man. I went through the red light with no red lights. You hear what I'm saying, boy? I went through the red lights with no red light, you know what I mean? But that's because I'm a G like that, you hear me? You know what I'm saying? That's what I do, you know what I mean? You alright, so? What, so, what you do? So, she still got the, so if you ain't outside no more, Sophia, tell Sophia, take the hat down, the pouch down. Oh!
Wow, watch where you going.
Oh, boy, it's crazy. It's spot dark out here, you hear me? Oh, boy, this red light right here working though, I'm surprised. Cause I just pulled up to the red light, man, ain't nothing, so everybody was just sitting there at the red light. I was like, ain't no goddamn way, you hear me? Oh, boy, it's going insane right now, you hear me? Oh, boy. But I said, you know what, I'm gonna go. I was the first one that went. I said, well, you heard me. But it's crazy right now. We good though. So, take down the pouch, so you're not in the rain no more. You're not in the rain, or you're in the car, girl. I am team, and we are about to be out of here, you know what I'm saying? I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, bro. Hope you enjoyed today, you know what I mean? Clean cars, clean bikes, my man. I loved it, you know what I'm saying? A few people looking at my truck, you know what I'm saying? Ain't too much going, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna let my girl over here end it off for me. You want to end off the vlog for me? Can you end the vlog off for me? Hey, I want you to say peace. Out. M. Team. Say it all together. No, say it all together. Say peace out, M team. Say peace out, M team. Come on, so say peace out, M team. So for that being said, M team, stand up. Boy, we out of here, boy. Y'all be easy, man. If you're new, subscribe to like me, subscribe to love me, subscribe if you 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 love me, and leave a like, and I will see you guys next time.